Hey YouTube, I know long time, no videos or anything. Well, even though ain't much people watch my videos. But anyway, I got another tractor. And I plan on making it into just a snowplow, put a snowplow in front of it or a snowblower or whichever. I got this for free. The engine is either is a hole in the block or a valve is stuck open. It's a 10-horse Tecumseh. And what I'm gonna be doing today is taking the engine off, taking the deck off, and taking the back axle off, transaxle. And I'm gonna lock the axles up. It's a 4-speed, and I guess I'm gonna just scrap that engine, scrap the deck, get some money, buy a new engine. Yeah, big old go-kart over there. But yeah.